Hey YouTube, this is Abdul Car Fix. I'm gonna make this quick video for you. Okay, this is a 2014 Chrysler Town and Country, and this van is a 3.6 liter engine. Thermostat code kept coming on. We deleted a couple of times, and it kept coming back on with the one code PO128. PO128, that means the thermostat's not reaching to temperature. Computer sees some issues with it. So this is, I recommend you buy the whole unit, only a few dollars more to buy it. Do not buy just thermostat by itself. I like to buy them just the whole thing. I think it was like maybe $3 different than buying just the thermostat by itself, having to remove it and put it back and all that shit. So the best way is just get it the whole thing, the housing. So guys, you take this air cleaner out, 8 mil in here. Take the cleaner out, and the box just pops right up after you take that 13 mil bolts. That helps you remove this out of the way, and then you're right there by the thermostat. As you see, that's the thermostat housing right there, as you see where my finger is pointing, and pop that hose off of it. What I did, it drained the coolant. Once I drained the coolant, I popped the hose, nothing came out. It's perfect. 2mm bolts. They're very soft bolt, guys. Be very gentle with them. So it's bolted this way. So you have 2 mil, one up here, one down here. So that's how it looked like if you see it down there. Okay, make sure, guys, because it happened to a few people. People have installed it. I have a few friends who installed those themselves. They asked me about it, and they say, "Oh, stop leaking." I find out the gasket does not come out, guys. This gasket right here stays on the block. So make sure you get this gasket out. If you don't get this gasket out, you're gonna leak. That happened to a few people that called me up about this job, and I told them, "Did you check?" Oh, they looked at the housing, they find the gasket not there. So make sure you take that gasket out, clean the surface. It's plastic, it's easy. Just clean it quickly and install the new one. Just snug it really. Don't go too tight. Just when you feel like the bolt stopped, stop right there, or look at the spec. I'm sure the spec on this one not very high, maybe very low torque on it. So the gasket is long, so it does do a good job on sealing it. We checked it now, no leaks. So you tie those bolts, and if you drain all the coolant, you see that little bolt on top of it. That's to get the air out of the system. If you have air in the system, if you feel the van start to overheat, or temperature went up on it, just go ahead and open that just a little bit, see the air. I had some of them. This one did not produce any air. As soon as I open it, the coolant flown out. But some I have seen where there's air trapped in there. If the air trapped, open that on, just screw a little bit. Use a big screwdriver if you have one around, like this one here I got. Sorry for the messy shop, I work a lot. So that's one of those. Works perfect. You get it down there, you open just a couple of turns, and that release all the air. And then once you release the air, that should take care of any problems. Top off the coolant system, and you should be good to go from there. Easy job, guys. Very easy job. They charge $300-400 out there. You can do this job for about $18. Just buy this for $18 and do the job yourself. You save a lot of money. Thank you for watching my video. Please, if you watch this video, subscribe to my channel. I really need subscribers to continue to making these videos. Thank you for watching my video.